At this moment, I knew I messed up. At that moment, I knew I messed up. The lady had her, I don't know what those things are called, but she had her stick right there, and I tried to turn to the right. I wasn't turning fast enough, and then I went flying, and then I hit the ground, and I looked, and I was like, whoa, I'm missing a ski on my left foot, and then I look back, I'm like, oh man, it's up there. So the main thing today that we're gonna be focusing on is just getting our basic lessons, you know, going down the bunny hill. I don't know if I plan on going down any big hill. I don't know about Grant.
I mean, we'll see what happens, right?
But you know, we're gonna switch over to the GoPro camera because I'm not gonna carry my huge camera on the thing. All right, so our friend overslept somehow and missed the bus and took a taxi and a train to get here. Somehow, all right, but yeah, this is my first time skiing. We're here at a resort in South Korea, a little to the east of Seoul. We took a bus. It was sort of, how much did we pay for the ticket again?
It was like 78 bucks.
78 bucks, 90,000 Korean won. All right, so we're in line right now. We're about to get our skis and everything and our boots, and then we're gonna go try on our stuff, or essentially put them on. We already tried on our stuff, and then we're gonna go to our ski lessons, and we'll see how it goes. That's yours?
How does he do? Did you see how? Yeah.
Okay, so we got our ski stuff. We're about to switch into it, and I'm gonna switch over to the GoPro. All right, switched over to the GoPro. We're about to start skiing. I don't know what I'm doing here, but we'll see how it works. The mic quality's gonna suck, or I guess the sound quality's gonna suck, so I'm sorry for that, but at least we'll get some at least we'll get some great footage. Getting some lessons.
Hell yeah.
If you feel like, I cannot do it, like support yourself with the foot, with your own boot, or with the front part.
So right now we're out here getting instruction on how to ski, like basic level stuff, everything on like how you actually put your foot, your boot in here and everything.
We go super fast and they cannot stop and they're like, ah! Like that. Go down, down, as fast as you can, and
Literally airborne school.
you're going to put in the front cup. Then keep looking to the back, just push down and press. Okay, good.
Yeah, this is lit. I never thought I would ever go skiing or snowboard or anything like that. That's just not something I ever thought about doing. But here in Korea, like I figured, why not do something new and learn something new? And we got some lessons. Our instructor, she was very great. Danny, wonderful instructor. Some basic lessons. And then we went down the bunny hill, right? And after we went down the bunny hill, me and my friends thought we knew everything. Bryce, Hugh, we were like, yes, we're good. This is so easy. This is fun. Grant was the only one who was like, no, I'm going to go practice some more. Was the smarter one. Like, we were not thinking like that at all. And we went down, we got on the gondola, and we're going up there, and I'm just like, we're going pretty high up. But like, they're like, nah, we're not going that high up. They'll be fine. And we get up there, and like, you guys just should be seeing the hill right now. But I was so surprised. I was like, I don't think I can do this. In my head, I was freaking out. I was like, golly, I'm just going to get back on the gondola. But then I see Bryce go, and I'm just like, wow, he went. And then I see Hugh go, and then within like 5 seconds, like, wipe out. He hits the wall, and I'm just like, yep, God just told me, no, let me back this up. Oh, shoot. But like, there were kids who were just going and going and going, and I was like, dang, maybe I do need to go. So I went, and I cannot turn it all. Like, you know how skiers like go soom, soom, soom? No, I was like, like going down, like, and then like my legs are shaking and everything. And then finally I went down the hill. So I guess the moral of the story is, don't try to be so ambitious in life like we were. And I get, skiing is such a wonderful sport and like activity, because once you go down that hill, there's only two options on how you're going to get off of that hill, that slope. Like, either they're going to drag you off that slope, and you know, at least for me, that's embarrassing. I mean, if you can't go down, all right, you can't go down. But the second option is you're going to go down that hill. So after like I got back up, And I put it back on, clicked back in, and then I was like, 감사합니다. And then I went again. I was just going down the hill again. Like I almost hit someone again, and I was like, whew. And I finally came in. I did not crash again. Like skiing was really great, and it taught me a valuable lesson in life that you need to try new things because it gets you out of your comfort zone. It makes you live. And like I feel like a lot of people don't live anymore, and they don't try new things because they're afraid to try new things. And this can even transition into like your working like area when it comes to being a platoon leader or anything. Like you need to make sure that you volunteer for that next job or that tasking, even though you don't want to do it. But it'll set you apart from your peers. It'll give you more insight into the company and the battalion and the brigade and so on and how things work, and it gets your name out there. Like the things you don't want to do are the things that make you better in life. Honestly, like truly. And I learned that whenever I was on that mountain. I had to get back up, and I was like, yeah, at that moment I knew I messed up, but I knew it was a good thing because I had to keep going down the hill. Like life is beautiful, and we just need to try new things. And you know, that's why I went to that palace. I can't say it, so I'm just gonna put it right here in Seoul. And that's why I dressed up in a typical hubok, I believe it's called. I can't pronounce it, so here's this again too. And I dressed up in a traditional Korean attire, and people were giving me looks, and they were just like, "Whoa, who's that? What is he doing?" And like, I just wanted to embrace the culture and learn something new and try something different. And this is like the levels when it comes to being successful and happy in this world. Trying new things, things that terrify you, things that make you feel different. Like you definitely get a natural high skiing that high up, because that was the hard one. We definitely skipped intermediate and we skipped the basic easy one. Went straight from the bunny hill all the way up there. So trying new things, embracing other people's cultures. Traditional Korean attire, I recommend, doing it because when you live life, when you're traveling to other countries, you really got to embrace their culture. And embracing their culture means wearing their stuff, going to see their history, their culture, and learning their language, learning a few phrases so you know what to say. 안녕하세요, 감사합니다, 안녕, like knowing a few different words, right? These are things that are going to help you guys. It helped me become a better person and open my eyes and everything. You guys are probably laughing at the clips that you guys saw of me like hitting the ground. But yes, with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Oh, I just cracked right there. Oh man, am I going through puberty again? Don't want to do that again. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm going to put out some more content talking about South Korea, Seoul. I'm going to buy a new gimbal so you guys can get some nice, sick, buttery, crisp B-roll, because I know you guys missed that. So it's gonna be a little bit longer. You guys are gonna have to wait a little bit longer on seeing some videos with the temples and the palaces here and everything, because I'm gonna wait until I get that gimbal. I want to make sure you guys have good quality content, and I might have shot some scenes and everything. But if you guys know, as a creator, sometimes you shoot and you're like, that video is not worthy, even though like you got like footage and you don't feel like posting it. So it just goes in a blah, blah, trash, as me and my friends say, blah. Once again, hope you guys have a great day. Subscribe, like, and comment. Let me know what you guys want to see on the channel. Ciao.